Maxim 6. 3 things cannot subsist without 3 things: property without trade, science without controversy, and a country without punishment. Speak sometimes in a friendly, conciliatory, manly way. Perhaps thou wilt ensnare a heart with lasso. Sometimes speak in anger, for 100 jars of sugar will on occasion have the effect of 1 dose of colocynth. Colocynth? Colocynth? I forget how you're supposed to pronounce that, but yeah, there's different approaches to different situations, not this silly stuff of, oh, you know, you got to be soft in all occasions. It's like, no, soft spoken is not always the way, and hard spoken is not always the way either.